How to change network preference for uploading. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video we are going to see how you can change network preference for uploading on YouTube. So this is very easy and simple. So before starting the video, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos on our channel. So let's get started the video. So first of all, you just need to update your YouTube to the latest version. If you haven't updated, just go to the Play Store and type YouTube and see if there are any update is available. Just update it. After that, just go to the YouTube, and on YouTube you can see a top right corner your channel icon. Just click on the channel icon. After that, you will see option called setting. Just click on that and then click on general. After clicking on general, you will see an option called uploads. Just click on here, and here you can see we have two options. One is Wi-Fi and one is on any network. And if your network is on Wi-Fi, so you can't upload without Wi-Fi. So you just need to click on any network, so you will be able to upload videos without not connected to Wi-Fi from your own data packages. So hope this video will help you to understand. If it does, like the video, subscribe the channel. We'll meet in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.